Hello everyone, I, Namrata Rathod, Assistant Professor of Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry in Smriti College of Pharmaceutical Education, Indore. Today we discuss about the cycloalkane. Introduction of cycloalkane, the carbon atom which are attached to the one another to form ring are called cyclic compound. Aliphatic cyclic compound or cyclic aliphatic hydrocarbons are called alicyclic compound because they resemble aliphatic compound in the most of their properties but possess cyclic structure. Like aliphatic hydrocarbon, alicyclic hydrocarbon may be saturated or unsaturated in nature. Now discuss about the what is cycloalkane. Cycloalkanes hydrocarbon with 3 or more carbon atom in a ring are called cycloalkane. Cycloalkane example is a single unsaturated carbon ring which form a homologous series similar to the unbranched alkanes. For example, there are many examples of cycloalkane. First is cyclopropane. The molecular formula of cyclopropane is C3H6 and basic structure is 3. There are 3 carbon present in this ring. It is known as cyclopropane structure. The second structure is cyclobutane. Cyclobutane structure molecular formula is C4H8. It is a 4-member ring structure known as cyclobutane. Cyclopentane is a molecular formula is C5H10. It is a 5-member ring. Next is cyclohexane. Cyclohexane formula is C6H12. It is a 6-member ring. 7th, cycloheptane. Molecular formula is C7H14. It is a 7-member ring. Last is cyclodecane. Atom present in ring form structure. So all are the example of cycloalkane. Now discuss about the nomenclature of cycloalkane. Cycloalkane have generally formula is CnH2 or CH2 whole N. It is a formula of cycloalkane where N is 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. In other compound, a number of methane, there are two hydrogen atom present in this formula. Unit are joined together to form a ring. They are also called as polymethylene. Now discuss about the common name. The name of cycloalkane is obtained by prefix the number of carbon atom in the ring before the word methylene. The prefix tri, tetra, penta, hexa, hepta, all etc. are the used to present there 4 or 5 carbon atom in the ring. For example, there are example of cycloalkane for common name. It is there are 3 carbon atom present with 6 hydrogen atom. So in the form of cyclic form, triangle form like structure. It's known as trimethylene. Second, there are 4 carbon atom present with 8 hydrogen. It's known as tetramethylene. There are 6-member ring present in this structure and 6 carbon atom or 12 hydrogen atom present in this structure. It's known as hexamethylene structure. So it is a nomenclature of common name. Next point is aliphatic name. In this system, the saturated alicyclic compounds are named by prefixing the word cyclo to the name of corresponding open chain alkane, like leaving the same number of carbon atom are the ring. For example, again it is a 3-member ring. There are 3 carbon atom present in this ring and 6 hydrogen atom. So it is a cyclic form structure. It's known as cyclopropane in IUPAC name system. Second is it is a 4-member ring. Again cyclo ring. There are 4 carbon atom present in this structure and 8 hydrogen atom present. So it is known as cyclobutane. Cycloalkanes are represented by the simple geometrical figures. Like first structure is cyclopropane, cycle-like structure. There are again 3 carbon atoms present in this structure. There are 4 carbon atoms present. It's known as cyclobutane. Next, cyclopentane, because there are 5 carbon atoms present is cyclic. In this cycle, there are 6 carbon atoms present in this cyclohexane structure. All are the simple geometrical figure of cycloalkane. In the next point is naming of substituted cycloalkane. The following rules are followed for naming of substituted alkane. First point is the substituted cycloalkane. The numbering is done in such a way the substituent get the lowest possible number in this structure. For example, it is a structure of pentane, cyclic ring structure. There are 5 carbon atoms present in this structure. So numbering will be started from this group because methyl group present in this is methyl group. Methyl group present on at first position. So numbering started from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 carbon atom like ring. 5 carbon atom present in this ring and methyl group present in first position. So it is known as methyl cyclopentane. Why it is called methyl cyclopentane? Because first position present is methyl group and it is a cyclic structure and there are 5 carbon atoms present. So it is known as methyl cyclopentane. The second example is again methyl group present first position. Second, numbering is started from this carbon. First, second, third, fourth and fifth. Again, there are 5 carbon atoms present in this cycle and 2 methyl group present different carbon position. First methyl group present in first position and second present on second position. So it is known as 1,2-dimethyl cyclopentane. 1,2-dimethyl cyclopentane. In the second point, if 2 or more substituted are present in the ring, then numbering of the carbon atom of the ring is done in such a way that the substituent will come first in alphabetically order is given the lowest possible number provided. The substitute which done come first in alphabetic order is given the lowest possible number, provide it does not violate the lowest locane rule. The second example is again it is a cyclic ring. There are 6 member cyclic ring and 2 methyl group at each different position and 1 methyl group methyl substitution present on different position. numbering will be started from this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But nomenclature will be started according to alphabetically order. So E is the first letter of according to alphabetically, then M. So name is 4-ethyl 1,2-dimethyl cyclohexane. It is the name of 4-ethyl 1,2-di. Both substitution are the same, so it is known as dimethyl. This ring is cyclohexane and 6-member ring, so hexane, cyclohexane.